Yeah, what's going on, family? It's your man B Miles coming to you live once again with another video from the B Miles 84 Conscious channel. Yeah, just came from the barbershop. Your boy mad fresh and all that right now, looking clean. But of course, I want to talk about a serious topic right now because I actually want to talk about how the Chicago Police Department actually used a big ass bait truck to lure black teens in and to actually lock them up. Now, what the Chicago police did, I'm glad that the people that was actually there that was on code to expose the story. They actually show how the Chicago police had a big ass truck, if not a tractor trailer, but it was a bait truck filled with tennis shoes in them. And when the kids went to go inside the truck and all that, that was when all of the teens got locked up. You feel what I mean? So when I'm seeing this situation right there, man, that is exactly what they do in our communities all the time. That's how they brought the drugs in. That's how they bring the guns in. And at the same time, that's how all the crime starts. And all of a sudden, that's when we start killing each other. But mind you, at the same time, we already know that the Chicago Police Department is doing those murders because they want to find a way to justify to like locking them up. And at the same time, once they lock them up, then they can kill them off and take their organs. See that bait truck right there? All you got to do is put two and two together. So when I'm seeing the situation right here, man, it's definitely a situation we got to look into. And I'm glad that the people exposed this story right here. I'm glad that my man, Phil from the Yavash, should expose this to many other people. Because that situation right there, man, it shows you how corrupt the Chicago Police Department really is. And it really shows you, man, because they always want to talk about the murder rate and all that, but they never really want to talk about where all the suspects at, you feel me? So when I'm looking at this situation, that's a very corrupt and a very sticky situation, and we got to keep our eyes and our ears open. They literally used a bait truck, a big bait truck, parked it right there, and had tennis shoes in them, filled with Jordans. Sneakers up in there, but Jordans in them. The kids go up inside of there, and that was when the kids got locked up. So they want to find a way because, mind you, a couple months ago, they were the same people saying that the crime is down in Chicago. Because you got to understand something, people. Crime is a business. Crime is a business. If there's no crime, they're not filling the jails. That means the cops not getting paid, the judges, the lawyers, the state's attorneys, the private prison industrial complex. They all work together. They all in cahoots with each other, and that's how they all get paid. By locking us up and pretty much killing us. So I had to put together this video, man, share thoughts upon this. Had to bring light to this situation. Keep on liking and subscribing to my channel. Always appreciate the love. And it's your man B Miles coming to you live once again from the B Miles 84 Conscious channel. One love once again. Peace.